Optimizing distributed multi-agent network. All systems nominal. Smtvs VGA AI app development. Dynamic, responsive, and secure web apps. Enterprise multimedia applications with File Manager, Store, Media Stream, and GitHub AutoSync. Central network is stable. All super agents are operational and performing within parameters.
Smtvs VGA ASI Media Interface Designer.
Smtvs VGA ASI Plugin Factory. Automated research and build of new audio and video plugins. Network optimized. All systems stable and functioning within parameters.